Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the update on KAVA. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price end of KAVA has formed a very big and huge falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live chart, then you can see that this was the wedge, by the way. This was the falling wedge pattern that the price end of KAVA formed. And while moving inside this wedge, the price end also formed this down channel as well. And when I shared my last video, at that time it was moving inside this channel. And now finally we have broken out the resistance of the channel. Then we had a nice pump, but the price end was once again rejected by the resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern. And now after this rejection, it is getting accumulated here above this support. In fact, between this resistance of 56 cents and above this support of 41.6 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. By the way, recently during this rally, we have also found this uptrend line support as well. You can see that we have so many bounces from the support. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very huge formation of the big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that while moving inside this wedge, now the movement is quite squeezed. And in fact, it is more squeezed now between this uptrend line support and this resistance of the wedge. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for KAVA that I shared, by the way, on 8th of November 2024 with my members. And that was an expected bullish cipher pattern that KAVA was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. This was a complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and drop more down, completed the fine line, and then we had a very, very nice reverse and the price and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of KAVA. And first of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this down channel. And after the breakout, we had a very nice pump. And by the way, while moving to the upside, it was also getting bounced at this uptrend line support as well. And here we got, in fact, we got rejection here by this long-term resistance of 75 cents. We had a fake out from the wedge for a few days. The price has been moving above the resistance of the wedge, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 75 cents and re-enter the same falling wedge pattern. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 75 cents, this resistance has been previously working as a support here. And before that, it was also working as support here. For a few weeks, it had been working as a resistance here as well. And again, it worked as a strong resistance. And therefore, even after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, we will still need to break it out. By the way, here in the month of December 2019, it had been working as a support as well when we had this very nice bounce from this support of 75 cents. And now it is working as a resistance. By the way, so far, Horizon could not hit the target for the breakout for this channel. And that target is here at the top of the channel. It is approximately at $1.20. And if the price reaches there, then we can break out the resistance of the wedge and we can also break out this resistance of 56 cents and the 75 cents resistance as well. Now, if you take a look at this resistance of 56 cents, then you can see that here it was working as support and recently here it was also working as a support as well. And here for a few weeks, it had been working as a resistance. Resistance, support, support, and here as a support. And therefore now, after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance once again. We got rejection here. And recently we got another rejection here as well. If we zoom it out, then it will be more visible. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently we got another rejection here a few days ago. Now, if the price then breaks out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, then a long-term target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of this wedge. That will be approximately at $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.